Hello everyone, this is Professor Jagda AR, working as Assistant Professor of Agronomy in College of Agriculture, Soni. This video is made for particular RAVE students. As we know that there is a 2 demo and 2 schedule for each and every subject. So I am going to explain about agronomy subject. Okay, in agronomy subject there are 2 schedules. Okay, so before going to prepare that 2 schedules, all the students should uh, collect and record the annual weather data. So what is that annual weather data? So it contains maximum temperature, minimum temperature, then rainy day, the relative humidity. So all the students they can collect the meteorological data from NRC, means National Research Center nearby the student. For example, the student who are residing in Sonai, so they can collect the meteorological data from our college app. So agronomy department have already prepared the meteorological app, so they can collect the meteorological data from college app. Okay, the students who are residing in Nagar district, they can collect the meteorological data from Mahatma Phule Krishi Vidyapith Rahuri. Okay, the student who are residing in Rajguru Nagar, for example, so they can collect the meteorological data from Onion Garlic Research Station, means NRC. Okay, the students can collect the meteorological data from the NRC nearby their location. Okay, so this is about annual weather data. Then second schedule, actually first schedule, that this is not schedule, this is compulsory. Annual weather data is compulsory, and this is our schedule. What? That is the recording of cost of cultivation. Particular cost of cultivation is for economic subjects. In agronomy discipline, you have to select the one agronomical major crop, and you have to record the daily operation from sowing up to the harvesting. Daily operation that farmer should perform from sowing up to the harvesting. The student should record that. The student should select the one agronomical major crop. So first point is that the major crop that is particular for one season. Okay, the student should not select the sugarcane crop. Okay, the student should select the seasonal crop, means only kharif season crop the student can or must be select. For example, the student can select the soybean, maize, or any cereal or any pulses. Okay, the crop should be seasonal, means that the crop should be kharif season. For particular going to cultivate for kharif season. Okay, so whatever the operation that perform the farmer from sowing up to the harvesting. Okay, so in schedule already given that male labor, family labor, or any implement used, so that all the requirement contained for that particular schedule. So another one is ITK. So this is ITK. ITK stand for indigenous technology knowledge. What is that indigenous technology knowledge? Means the indigenous technology that farmer are going to follow since from their traditional farming. For example, the farmer vermicompost. For example, vermicompost. The farmer are going to follow this vermicompost or vermiculture from their traditional farming. Okay, so and now recently he is also going to follow that particular practices. Okay, for example, NSK, neem seed kernel extract. Okay, so the farmer should follow from their ancient farming or traditional farming up to the current farming. So the schedule is for particular ITK. Means crop wise you have to select the particular indigenous practices, and you have to record and maintain this indigenous technology knowledge. For example, Bijamrut. Okay, for example, Bijamrut, Jivamrut, or the Shabarniyarka. So these are the practices, these are the traditional practices or indigenous practices or indigenous technology. But the farmer are going to currently follow these practices. So recording of these practices or this knowledge known as indigenous technology knowledge. For example, another example is that for store to avoid the store grain pest, the farmer is going to use about neem leaves. Okay, so that using of neem leaves for store grain pest to control the store grain pest. So this is also indian technology knowledge. Okay, or any seed treatment is there. For example, cow dung slurry treatment for cotton seed. So this is also indigenous technology knowledge. Prediction of rainfall. This is also indigenous technology knowledge. So all this technology, indigenous technology that farmer are going to follow from traditional farming or from indigenous farming up to the current farming or presently farming. So this is indigenous technology knowledge. So this is all about that 2 schedules of agronomy. Okay, what about demo? So for demonstration, the student can take two demo. The student can take two demo. Okay, out of the 6 demo. So particular for in two demo, IWM means integrated weed management. So integrated weed management contain physical, chemical or mechanical, biological operations that the farmer should use particularly integratedly for management of the weed. But the student cannot take all the aggregate operation for the demo. Okay, either the student take physical control for weed or chemical control for weed management or biological control for weed management. Okay, the student should not take all the three operations integrately. Okay, because the weed can control by using any one operation. Okay, so for example, particularly integrated weed management. Okay, so for chemical control, if we are going to use about chemical control. Okay, so in chemical control, the student can take the photo like that: pre-emergence spray, pre-emergence spraying, or post-emergence spraying of herbicide. Okay, so particular take the chemical control in case of weed management, integrated weed management. So pre-emergence spraying, okay, pre-emergence spraying of herbicide, any herbicide, we have to take the photograph. By that photograph should contain the pre-emergence spray, means before, after sowing, before emergence, the farmer should spray any herbicide for control of particular any crop. So this is one photo. And post emergence, if the weeds are not controlled by using pre-emergence spray, then the farmer should also follow the post-emergence spraying. So we have to take the two photographs: pre-emergence spraying and post-emergence spraying. Okay, then the photograph should be for particular weed management. You have to take the whatever the implement or whatever the chemical you are going to use or whatever the herbicide you are going to use. Okay, so precaution must be while spraying the any herbicide. That precaution we are already know, using of that gloves and that goggles, etc. So the one photo should contain that implements or any machines. We cannot say machines, any implements we're using for spraying of that herbicide. Okay, so take the one photo for that all implements or all the chemical which contain the all chemical. Then second photo, pre-emergence spraying, while spraying pre-emergence spraying, take one photo. Then second photo, and third photo for post-emergence spraying. Okay, the student can also take the before and after photo, means before spraying of that post-emergence, before spraying post-emergence herbicide, the student should take the one photo, and after control of that weed management after 15 days or 20 days, also take this another photo. So likewise 3 to 4 photos of each demo you should take, and minimum 20 farmer is there. Minimum 20 farmer is must present in particular demo. Okay, so without 20 farmer, the demo cannot be considered as the perfect. Okay, the demo can be rejected. So listen carefully, and you should be professional. Okay, so the student should be professional. Then second demo, advanced crop production technology. Advanced crop production technology. So what is this advanced crop production technology? Means advanced crop production technology, for example, drum rolling. Okay, drum rolling in groundnut. Drum rolling in groundnut is one of the advanced crop production technology. So what is that drum rolling? Okay, what's the advantage? How drum rolling perform? So all that practices, that all these advanced crop production technology means drum rolling. Okay, for example, drum rolling. Okay, then another example is that use of bird scarer. Okay, bird scarer. So drum rolling in groundnut, bird scatter in any cereal crop or any crop for for the protection of the crop from birds. Okay, means आता मराठीत तुम्हाला एकदा थोडक्यात सांगतो का आपल्या महाराष्ट्रीयन स्टुडंटसाठी पर्टिक्युलर का तुम्हाला जे 2 डेमो घ्यायचे आहेत त्याच्यामध्ये इंटिग्रेटेड वीड मॅनेजमेंट आहे. ओके, इंटिग्रेटेड वीड मॅनेजमेंट म्हणजे काय की तुम्हाला कोणतं पण एकच कंट्रोल तुम्हाला घ्यायचा आहे त्याच्यामध्ये. प्री इमर्जन्स असेल, सॉरी, फिजिकल, केमिकल, बायोलॉजिकल यापैकी कोणतंही एक. तुम्ही फिजिकल घेतलं तर तुम्ही हँड विडिंग दाखवा, होईंग दाखवा कॉम्बिनेशन मध्ये की होईंग घेतलंय आणि हँड विडिंग पण घेतलेलं आहे. कारण होईंग मध्ये काही विड राहिलं ते हँड विडिंग मध्ये कव्हर केलं, सो इंटिग्रेटली ते कव्हर झालं. पण तुम्ही तिन्ही एकत्र दाखवू शकत नाही. ओके, तर फिजिकल मध्ये तुम्ही पर्टिक्युलर काय करू शकता, फिजिकल मधून तुम्ही होईंग आणि हँड विडिंग दाखवू शकता, होईंग आणि हँड विडिंग. देन केमिकल मध्ये तुम्ही काय दाखवा की प्री इमर्जन्स स्प्रे, पोस्ट इमर्जन्स स्प्रे किंवा इंटिग्रेटेडली एकदा स्प्रे करून कंट्रोल झाले, बिफोर आफ्टरचा फोटो घ्या, बिफोर स्प्रेइंग, आफ्टर स्प्रेइंग, त्यानंतर जे काही इम्प्लिमेंट तुम्ही कंटेंट आहेत त्याचा एक फोटो घ्या. ओके, डेमो घेताना कमीत कमी 20 शेतकरी त्या डेमो मध्ये पाहिजे. ठीक आहे. दुसरा आहे ऍडव्हान्स क्रॉप प्रोडक्शन टेक्नॉलॉजी. आता ऍडव्हान्स क्रॉप प्रोडक्शन टेक्नॉलॉजी ड्रम रोलिंग ऑपरेशन आहे, हे जे ऍडव्हान्स आहे. त्याच्यामध्ये ड्रम रोलिंग आपण काय करतो, त्याचे ग्राउंडनटचे पेग असतात त्याचे जे जमिनीत इन्सर्ट होतात तर त्याचं प्रमाण, त्याचा रेशो वाढतं, त्याच्यामुळे आपण ड्रम रोलिंग ऑपरेशन घेतो. सो अशा प्रकारे हे आपण डेमो घेऊ शकतो. ह्याच्यामध्ये अजून 4-5 डेमो आहे. सो बर्ड स्कॅरर म्हणजे काय की जे आपण पक्षी असतात जे बाजरीवर बसतात, ज्वारीवर बसतात, तर आता बर्ड स्कॅरर असतं की ज्याचं रिफ्लेक्शन होतं बर्डच्या आईज मध्ये, त्याच्यामुळे काय होतं की ते पक्षी पळून जातात, जे काही नुकसान होतं ते कमी होतं. सो तो एक तुम्ही डेमो घेऊ शकता. किंवा मग ड्रम रोलिंग ऑपरेशन आहे किंवा असे जे काही ऑपरेशन ऍडव्हान्स आहे की जे ट्रॅडिशनल नाही आहेत ते तुम्ही या डेमो मध्ये घेऊ शकताय. त्यानंतर तिसरा आहे पहा, ऍडव्हान्स इरिगेशन सिस्टीम. ऍडव्हान्स इरिगेशन सिस्टीम. So in advanced irrigation system, you can take the demo on drip irrigation, on sprinkler irrigation, or fertigation. My suggestion is that all the students should take this advanced irrigation system demo, particularly on the fertigation. Fertigation means spraying of that fertilizer through irrigation. So the students should take the demo for in case of advanced irrigation system, particular for fertigation. They can also take for drip irrigation or sprinkler irrigation, but this system, drip irrigation or sprinkler irrigation, is already established. So what you actually going to explain or what you should show to the farmer? Nothing. So my suggestion is that you should take the demo on fertigation. Okay, so fertigation means application of fertilizer through irrigation. Okay, so you should take demo on fertigation. Then another demo is farm mechanization. Farm mechanization in agronomical practices. Farm mechanization by host farmer. Okay, farm mechanization by host farmer means याच्यामध्ये काय करायचंय का तुम्हाला जे काही फार्म मेकॅनायझेशन ऍडव्हान्स आहे, फॉर एक्झाम्पल फार्म मेकॅनायझेशन, द फार्मर ट्रेडिशनली द फार्मर आर गोइंग टू यूज द implement that is deshi plow or maybe wooden plow. So that deshi plow or wooden plow is replaced by iron plow or MP plow. So you can take the demo on that particular farm mechanization. Okay, then another demo is mechanization in agronomical practices and comparison with local practices. So mechanization in agronomical practices and comparison with local practices. For example, hand weeding versus cycle hoeing. Okay, means you have to compare the traditional practices with advanced practices, means hand weeding versus cycle hoeing, or you can also go into hand weeding versus rotary weeder. Okay, in paddy crop currently now we are going to use that rotary weeder, so you can also take the demo on rotary weeding. Okay, rotary weeder is there. So we have to compare the mechanization agronomical practices with local practices. Local practice is that hand weeding. The farmer is going to follow the hand weeding local practices, but you are upgrading that practices from hand weeding versus local plowing. Okay, so you have to write the comparison of that particular demand schedule. Okay, then the last demo is knowledge and utilization of apps. Okay, knowledge and utilization of apps. Knowledge and utilization apps means what? Any advanced application means mobile application. So apps should be government app, means for example any application that should be advanced, that should be beneficial for the farmer. So you have to take the demo on any application. For example, you cannot take the demo on private application because you are not going to publish any private app. Okay, so for first one is our Phule Jal. This app is particular developed by MPKV Rahuri. MPKV Rahuri or Phule Irrigation Scheduler. So this app is particular for irrigation scheduling. So this is also developed by MPKV Rahuri or Phule Krishi Darshani. Phule Krishi Darshani means this Krishi Darshani also contains all the practices the farmer should follow, all the advanced practices or all the package of practices of all the crops, means agronomical crop, horticulture crop, or any vegetable crop. So the student particular should take the demo on knowledge and utilization of apps in seeking crop production technology information. means एखाद्या ऍप्लिकेशनचा उपयोग हा शेतकऱ्याला कशा प्रकारे होतो हे तुम्हाला ह्याच्यावरती डेमो घ्यायचा आहे. मग ऍप्लिकेशन घेताना ते प्लांटिक्स वगैरे हे असं प्रायव्हेट ऍप घेऊ नका, ते गव्हर्नमेंट ऍप असलं पाहिजे. कोणताही प्रायव्हेट ऍप तुम्ही प्रमोशन करू नका. ठीक आहे, तर गव्हर्नमेंट ऍप मध्ये फुले जल, ओके, फुले इरिगेशन शेड्यूलर, फुले इरिगेशन शेड्यूलर, फुले कृषी दर्शनी हे ऍप अवेलेबल आहेत. अजूनही काय ऍप अवेलेबल असतील की जे फार्मरला युजफुल असतील. ओके, so the student should take the demonstration on government app, not any private app, which is beneficial for cultivation or which is beneficial for the farming, for the farmers. Okay, so this is our demo. So out of these 6 demo you can take any 2 demo. Okay, any 2 demo. Okay, so any 2 demo you have to take out of that 6 schedules. Okay, while preparing the demo, how to write the demo, what the point should contain in that particular demo, you can ask me by text, by texting a message or on WhatsApp or on by call. Okay, so that indigenous technology practices particular new schedule is there in indigenous technology practices. So this indigenous technology practices contain, for example, vermicompost. So what is the in that particular village where when that vermiculture or vermicompost practices should be firstly done. So that one point should contain that indigenous technology practices. Okay, then what is the procedure that vermicompost? Okay, vermicomposting, the procedure should not be from the manual, from the practical manual. Actually the farmer are going to follow actual real procedure for that particular in that particular field. So don't copy from the manual. Okay, so vermicomposting, suppose you are going to mention about that indigenous technology knowledge about vermicompost or vermiculture. So that indigenous technology practice should be crop wise. Okay, suppose you have taken any horticulture crop, agronomical crop. So whether this indigenous technology practice is followed in that particular crop, you cannot take the other crop that you should not selected. Okay, तुम्ही जे क्रॉप सिलेक्ट केलेले आहेत त्यामध्येच ती प्रॅक्टिसेस फॉलो होती का, तर तेच तुम्हाला काय करायचंय, तीच इंडियन टेक्नॉलॉजी प्रॅक्टिसेस तुम्हाला घ्यायची. दुसरी कोणत्याही क्रॉप मधून घेऊ शकत नाही. काय क्रॉप सिलेक्ट केले तुम्ही, समजा मेज, सोयाबीन किंवा सोयाबीन असेल तर तुम्ही शुगर केन मध्ये दाखवू शकत नाही, कारण शुगर केन तुम्ही सिलेक्ट केलेलं नाहीच आहे. ऍक्च्युअली तुम्ही ते क्रॉप सिलेक्ट केलेलं आहे आणि त्या क्रॉप मध्ये ती प्रॅक्टिसेस फॉलो होतीये हे तुम्हाला दाखवायचंय. ठीक आहे, there in this technology practices, for example, vermiculture, it's firstly used by in the village, then advantage, disadvantage, procedure, all the points. Okay, so you have less time, that is 8 weeks. So all the demo and practices, all the demo and schedules you have to complete within 8 weeks. So hurry up, time is less. Okay, so all the best. And if the students having any doubt, they can call me or they can text me on WhatsApp also. Okay, thank you.